I called this short live on YouTube before it actually happened. So top of the range, zone, boom, sweep and deliver, baby. 88% win rate on this strategy. So without further ado, let's get into the technicals. So here's what I posted in the Discord before the market even opened. So what I had here was us moving lower, right? But if we just look at the daily is in a range, right? We are still in that daily range. And we need to still consider that being in the middle of the range. Now, what do we see here? We see lower lows being created, and we see we are at the top of our previous range, right? I would love to see shorts here. I told my chat, yo, we're gonna see shorts here, right? And if we just go lower, right? Let's see what happens, right? So we have this down below. There is two that were being present. The down below, I already explained what happened in the Discord, but the one on the top, right, is what I actually took for an entry. So we had 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps, 4 taps. The fifth tap also delivered a 50 live on stream. And then what ended up happening, right? We had the zone. The zone got swept. We had a liquidity sweep per se, right? We also had that target of the previous 15-minute swing delivering. I said, okay, we may be gearing up for a little counter trend short. I looked for the highest, absolute highest closing bullish candle, which you might say, yo, Ziga, it's this one. But yeah, I look for an absolute highest closing candle, which above all the wicks would be this one, right? I placed my sell stop, right? My sell stop right on the low of that candle, and just let it ride, right? If we just plot the R2, it delivered perfectly, right? 1 hour to the tick, and I got out for a $400 win on my Topstep account, which was absolutely lovely, right? And before I executed that entry, I of course ran it to a calculator. This calculator, I made it myself, and it's sitting in my Discord as we speak. It's free, no opt-in, and that's how I know my risk before I click. Bam! That's all. That was the daily recap. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.